Hey everyone! So I'm going to do 3 mini flip cups on this 11 by 14 canvas. And I'm only going to fill them, not quite all the way for sure. That'll be way too much paint, but maybe halfway. But I'm going to use some Creative Inspirations Lamp Black, Folk Art Yellow Flash from the Color Shift line, Lucas Fern, it's a new color that I got, I just think it's so pretty, Soho Phthalo Green Blue, Deco Art Peacock Teal, and Craftsmart Deep Bronze Metallic. And I'm just moving them around in the order I would like them. There, I think that's good. I should throw some white in there as well to break it all up. I'll start with some white and maybe put a little bit inside the cup. So I need to spray my cups with the WD-40 silicone spray before I get started. I've had this can for a very long time. I don't think I've opened a second one since I started painting. That is the black can, by the way, not the blue one. So I'm going to start with a little bit of white. And then I'm going to go ahead and go backwards. The teal peacock teal. The Soho Phthalo Green Blue. This is a beautiful color when it's dry. Craftsmart Deep Bronze Metallic. Lucas Fern. And before I put the yellow in, I'm going to go ahead and do my black. Because I want it to react with the black. And then I'm going to go ahead and do some more white. A little bit more of the peacock teal. The phthalo green blue. The bronze. And the fern. Oh, I might as well just finish the last two, right? Black. And the flash. And I am going to give those a tiny swirl. I have way too much paint for that canvas. So I may get away with 2 cups. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I'm going to flip it. And I will save that for another canvas. It's pretty. Okay. Okay. So I have it there if I need it. I can run a ribbon through if it looks boring. But let's give it a quick torch. And let's start to stretch this out because it was starting to look like a bra. Yeah, it's definitely going to need a ribbon. So I'm going to go ahead and just run this over the edges. Always shoot back to that middle. This is so pretty right here. I'm hoping when I do the cup through I might be able to get that. some in it. Excuse me. I've got to quit eating chocolate. It makes me cough. Okay. I kind of like that right there. Just want something down through that there. Decisions, right? And I'm going to stretch that out. Turn it around so I can see where I'm coming with that side. Just trying to stretch that black out so the cells will come up. And I'm slowly trying to get some of this off before I take it back. Okay. That will work. So I need to put everything back where it was. That should work fine. Wait and see what that white's gonna do. Of course, right now it's like, hello, I am right here. Get my edge. Give it a torch. Got some stuff coming up through that black. And through the white, that's good. To grow a little bit. It's so much better with those cells up through there. So if you have not subscribed yet, click below. Click on the bell and you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Check out all the links below. All the information is there. The shopping links are there for supplies and for purchasing. Our fan mail, post office box is there, and the Stone Coat Art Coat resin codes are there. But that's it. I like it. It's beautiful. That copper, that bronze is going to be gorgeous when it dries. It is going to sink a little bit more into that flash. I don't see a lot of my fern. Maybe this is it here. But I love the way that the phthalo blue green and the peacock teal came up through the black. But yep, I like it. So I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.